Welcome! In front of me I have Hama Fit Watch 5910 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen on your watch, make sure that you're on the current watch face, the home screen, and then press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And now we can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the watch face you like to use and tap on it to select it and apply it on your watch, like this. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone app to change the watch faces. So let's bring our phone right here, open the Hama Fit Pro application. In the app, let's tap on device, then tap on dial settings or setting. And we need to wait until the watch is done syncing with the phone. So wait a couple of seconds and repeat. So tap on the dial settings, and here we can change the watch face by finding the watch face we like, tapping on it and tapping on set as default watch face. And when we wake up the screen on our watch, you can see that the watch face changed. You can also change the watch face to the cloud watch face. Basically, you can tap right here to open the watch face store, and here you can find different watch faces online. And once you find the watch face you like, you can simply tap on it, then tap on the set default watch face and wait until the watch face is done downloading and applying on your watch. And after it's done, the watch face should be applied on your watch, as you can see. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.